Let's go through Likud 120 triangle. So it gives us a list of integer triangle, and let's find a path which is coming from the top to the bottom. We want the path, the sum to be minimal. So, mm, so we know this one, actually, this is a traditional coordination of DP problem, right? So we know for the first one, this is triangle. It's guaranteed that for the row I and row I minus 1, there is one more element in row I. So, so we know if we have, for example, at the cell I, row I, and column J, right? We already have the minimal value for this. Then, I say, how can we calculate the cell ij, the minimal value? It's coming from the previous I minus 1, j minus 1, all coming from the I minus 1, j, right? So it can only coming from these two cells. So it will be the minimal of the previous um, sum, right? Previous sum. So what is the previous sum? The sum will be the from the top going to this cell. What is the sum, minimal sum on this path, right? So will be the minimum of this and this plus current value, right? So this will be a traditional DP problem. So we can have an m multiplied by an integer array to do the DP, right? And actually, we'll find when we use the DP one row, right? We don't need the previous row, and also this every element is coming from its top, and it's the left top, right? So what we do is that we should when we can use a for loop for I from 0 to m minus 1, right? So, but for j, we should do a reversed iterations because so that we just need a one-dimensional array. That's enough, right? Um, so we can write code for this. We'll have, for example, int result equals mm, actually, we can we know this will be the DPRS. For example, this result we will set this one as integer dot max value, and we'll have n equals triangle dot size, right? So let's say we have m, and we'll have n equals triangle m minus 1 dot size, right? So we can have this DP, of course, we can have two-dimensional DP equals mu int m n, right? But actually, we can this one because it's only coming from the previous row, right? So we can just use one dimension for this, and we'll say DP 0 will be equals triangle 8 0. 8 0, right? So what we do is that for int I equals 0, I smaller than m, I plus plus, right? So uh, let's get current row, right? Current row to row equals triangle get I, right? So we'll have int s equals or int, do we have g? Int j equals let's have s equals row dot size. So we'll say we know this dp s minus 1 will always coming from dp s minus 2 and plus rho gate s, right? S minus 1, right? And also we'll write for int j equals s minus 2, j greater than 0, j minus minus, we'll have dp j equals max dot min dp j and dp j minus 1, right? So this one, we need to have a reverse order because for every dp is coming from the up and left, right? If we do put the from left to right, it will be wrong, right? And then plus row get I get J. And also we have dp 0 is always equals to dp 0 plus well I equals to row get 0. So in the end, our result for every way in dp, our result just equals mass dot main result with and we return result. Let's try to see n minus 1 size. So this will be the row dp. This is dps minus 2, sorry, because for the last one, it is coming from can only from the previous one, minus 1, right? Because the row I minus 1 has one more, one less element. So dps, uh, this was from row 1. Okay, so in this case, it will be O n space complexity, O m multiplied in time complexity. Let's also write a Python code for this. So let's have m n equals length triangle in the length triangle, the last one, right? Minus 1. So we're going to have dp equals we can put a 0 or infinity, right? But this one, because we calculate every value is from previous value, so put this one as 0 is 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 good as well, right? So if we are not confident, because we are trying to get a minimum, we can put as INF, right? But here it doesn't matter, and we'll have dp 0 equals triangle 0, 0. Then what I do is that for I in range from 1 to m, and row equals so triangle I s equals length row. So let's see dp s minus 1 equals dp s minus 2 plus row s minus 1. And of course, you can put you don't need this s even, right? You can, because Python, this means that is the last. Let me see. Sorry, you should still need this S, right? Because we are open size n. If you use minus one, that is n minus one, right? So we still need a S. But this one you can write row S minus one, right? This one is okay if we write this. And then what we do is that we need for G, which is in a reverse order, range S minus 2, 0. We should iterate to 1, right? So then dpj equals min dpj dpj minus 1 plus rho j. And for dp0, right? dp0 we didn't calculate yet, should add equal to rho 0. So in the end, for just a return min dp